Hello friends, welcome to Cook Bites. I am Tripti Saxena. Today I will tell you how to make easy pomegranate smoothie. Now let's see the ingredients. Pomegranate seeds 1 cup, condensed milk 1 cup, 1 cup milk, sugar 1 tablespoon. Now take a jar, seeds of 1 cup pomegranate put into the blender. Add little water if need. Blend it well. Now filter it. Pour back the juice into the blender. Add 1 cup milk. Add condensed milk. Add sugar. And now blend it into a smooth milkshake. Pour smoothie into the glass. Garnishing with choco chips. Your pomegranate smoothie is ready. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.